Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Buffer for scheduling LinkedIn posts effectively, full guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Alternatively, you can sign up using Google or Apple accounts for quicker access. After filling in your details, click the Sign Up button. Next, Buffer will guide you through setting up your account. You'll be asked to select a plan that suits your needs. Choose the free or paid plan based on the features you require for LinkedIn scheduling. Once you select a plan, proceed to the payment section if applicable. If you're opting for a free trial or free plan, skip the payment details and proceed. Now, Buffer will ask you to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the LinkedIn icon and authorize Buffer to access your profile. This step is crucial for scheduling posts directly to your LinkedIn feed. After authentication, you'll be redirected back to your Buffer dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the Publishing tab to begin scheduling your posts. Click on Add Post to create your first LinkedIn post. Compose your content in the designated area. You can include links, images, or videos as needed. Select the date and time you want the post to go live. Once everything looks good, click on the Schedule Post button. Repeat this process to add multiple posts to your Buffer queue. Monitor your scheduled posts from the dashboard to ensure everything is on track. Adjust the timing or content as needed right from your Buffer dashboard. Utilize analytics features to track the performance of your LinkedIn posts. This data can help you refine your content strategy over time. By following these steps, you will effectively use Buffer to schedule LinkedIn posts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.